Kiryandongo District is found in Bunyoro region, having been carved out of Masindi. Though not directly affected by the conflict in northern Uganda, it is home to many people displaced by the conflict. This is why the district qualified for the Northern Uganda Social Action Fund, NUSAF. NUSAF is funded by the World Bank with a budget of $130 million for 60 districts for a period of 5 years. Though the third phase of the program was launched in 2017, Kiryandongo is yet to receive the 2.1 billion shillings meant for 79 groups in which the beneficiaries are organized. This is because there have been numerous allegations that the group's numbers have been inflated by non-existent or ghost beneficiaries. The red flag was raised by the Kiryandongo District Chief Administrative Officer, Dorothy Ajwang, who advised that the funds be sent to the project bank and not be released until verification is done.
Now, this money had been sent to the sub-projects account in the bank, but there was a letter instructing the bank not to release the money until the verification was done. And this letter, that communication was from the COW's office, who was the accounting officer, and I think it was done properly to save the money.
From the findings of the IG, you can see that my discomfort or our discomfort was not in vain. Indeed, there were a number of inconsistencies.
It's upon this background that the Inspectorate of Government swung into action to verify all members to prevent government from losing billions of shillings.
Many of these fellows have not turned up for the physical verifications, and our conclusion is that they may not be in existence, and therefore really that money cannot be released as of now until when the district goes back, regenerate and make sure that the members are properly documented, then the money can be released.
We thought we would receive money in time, but money, we have not received it. The CDC, we have not received. But now, we are happy that if IGG has come in, then it means our money, our account that has been held will be released to us so that we utilize it.
And I'm sure we shall benefit in future if we have to follow the procedures well.
For the beneficiaries, the delay in implementation has cost them a planting season. Many had opted for planting soybean, sunflower and buying oxen to help them plow.
And now time has gone. We are now waiting maybe next year.
It is unfortunate that the farmers, the community or the beneficiaries are not going to realize the benefit out of this project in time. And we even don't know next year, weather and climate is really changing. We don't know whether it will be next year, rain will come in time.
As a way of fighting poverty and helping communities sustain their livelihoods, the fund entails labor-intensive public works like construction of roads where the locals are employed. The locals also save 1,500 shillings for their daily remuneration, which is put back in a pool from which they can borrow. Early next week, the Office of the IGG is set to release its report on the findings, whose recommendations will be implemented by the district before the funds can be released. Ali Mevole, NTV.